welcome to episode 1 of my day on Anime Jam Needs a Male. I hate when people do that. Well, I'm here with my friend. I guess we'll just say her Instagram. Is it Skittles Cat? Is it Skittle Cat 152 underscore?
Yeah.
So follow her on Instagram.
You should. I'm awesome.
So I'm here with my friend, my best friend, my bro. So today we're going to be going to the spooky party. It starts in 3 minutes. I have not been to it yet. So I swear I've been trying to do this episode forever, guys. I just keep trying and trying. Okay, she's coming to me. Here she is.
Wait, where are you? Outside.
Yeah. So, follow her. Add her. She's awesome. I need to get away from this.
I feel like I want to eat pizza, so I'm gonna do pizza.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I am a pizza.
That's the person that keeps saying, needs a meal.
Pizza.
Okay, guys.
Look, I'm a pizza.
Okay, well, let's just continue to heat up, please. So, I've been in a bind lately. It's just so hard. I'm just, okay, guys, can I talk to my fans, please?
You can talk to your fans, please. I'm
gonna
sit in the water
I'm
slide.
gonna sit on the dock and talk to my fans. So, we have a lot of traditions that we're gonna do in this series. But guys, so there was no speaker on the one computer that worked on Animal Jam. My computer doesn't work on Animal Jam. My laptop doesn't work on Animal Jam. My mom's computer won't open Screencast-O-Matic. So finally, we got a computer that works.
I just came down the water slide.
We got a computer that works. So, in the last episode, we got my otter. Well, the episode that you guys can see. 1 minute. Okay, so, and we have a few traditions that we do in this episode. So, I'm just gonna say them, I guess. So, we do this thing called fan base, where we go up to a lucky person on Animal Jam and give them a shout out. So, and then at the end of every episode, we go by the fire in Sarapia Forest and say, a motto from someone. And this week's motto I actually love. This is one of my favorite mottos. It's from my idol. I don't know what I'd do without her. Okay, cool, it's a girl. I think, Peyton, do you know who she is?
Who?
You probably don't.
Who?
You probably think it's Katy Perry, don't you?
No.
It's not. Don't guess. I'm gonna go off camera for a minute and tell her.
Well, she just told me, and it ironically happens that she's mine too.
I don't know what I would do without her, guys. Honestly.
Are you gonna tell them?
Not until the end of the episode.
Hey,
So,
guys.
don't skip ahead, please.
The party's starting.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
So, honestly, guys, I don't know what I would do without her. She's seriously just such an inspiring
Wait,
person.
what the heck? Wait, where are you? Are we in the same room?
Yeah, no, I don't think we are. So, seriously, guys, I don't know what I'd do without her. She's just such an inspiring person.
She is, actually.
Honestly, she's just so funny and inspiring and stuff. I don't know. I honestly don't know what I would do without her.
They should guess in the comments below. Pause the video right now and guess.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a minute to pause. Okay, hopefully you guessed, and if you're right, then you're probably skipping ahead right now. Ooh! Oh, unicorn horn! Unicorn horn!
Yeah, okay.
We have to buy that. We have to buy it. We have to buy it. We have to
Mhm.
buy it. Ooh, we bought it. Okay. Are we wearing it? We are. Oh my god.
We are wearing it. We're wearing it together, guys. We're wearing it.
Yeah, and this person. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna give him a huge shout out at the end. Let's go on the frogs. We can do it this morning.
Wait, who are you giving a huge shout out to?
The person that I'm doing the motto. Right. We have to stand
I
in
love
this.
her.
Honestly, guys, let's talk about her now. Okay, so, should we do fan base right now? Captain the Fox. I have my eyes left. How about Princess Arctic Fox? Princess Arctic Fox. You're on camera. Say hi. So, I hope this isn't who I think it is. Her username is Ariana is awesome 123.
Oh no.
Okay, so Ariana is awesome 123. I really hope this isn't who I think it is.
Should we tell them?
No,
No, because what if she watches this?
Yeah. Oh well, she knows that she kind of annoys me sometimes, but she actually can be pretty funny.
Usually not.
Yeah, sometimes she's pretty annoying, but you never know.
Usually, most of the time.
Really?
20% of her life, she's... 5% of her life, she's...
20, actually. 50-50. I'm gonna go 50-50. Okay, guys, so that was our fan base of the day. Oh, and, okay, we should probably... I'm gonna go set up here and give the announcement, that this part includes you guys. So in fan base... I'm just gonna dance because I feel like it. So, in fan base, you guys leave a comment on a color and an animal for each fan base. So you choose a color and an animal. So, like you could choose pink and a fox. So I would go up to a pink fox. So, whichever one I think is the best, then I will choose, and I will give you a shout out. So hopefully you come up with some creative names. Okay, so, ooh, store my den. No, thank you. I think I'm gonna stay here with my friend.
I'm not even here to play.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get to your party.
We should, go somewhere else.
Tell someone to leave. Oh, mine's not even full. Try and come to mine.
Okay. Like, just go up to someone and scream, leave!
Yeah, like, get out of here.
It's not like
How is this full?
that.
There's not even very many people here. I'm gonna leave and go to a different one.
We should leave and then go up sometime.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, ready?
On 3.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Okay, on
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go.
How were we not in the same one?
This is so frustrating. Oh, we only have 5 minutes left. Well, a little bit more than 5 minutes. But try to come to mine. Mine looks pretty full though.
Okay. Are you serious? Like the one that's full?
Really?
Where are you?
Really?
Where are you?
Hi!
Where are you?
I'm right here.
I
You
don't
don't see me. I'm by the stairs. I'm on the stairs. I'm playing on the stairs.
I'm so stupid. I can't even find you. Oh, I see you. What the heck?
It's fishes. What? I never noticed these before. It's like dead drop. Oh, question mark. What kind of fun new parties would you like to go to? I requested this so long ago, guys. I'm gonna request it again. A magic party. And I also requested a long time ago for our rainbow fox hat. I guess that never caught on. I just thought that would be a cool idea. I thought it'd be really cute. And I would definitely get it. Oh shoot, your computer unplugged. Okay, guys.
Wait, it did?
Yeah, it did. It must have.
It's not like that.
Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna help her like get the computer back on. We're gonna wait until we're together again. So I will be right back. Okay. Hi. You probably can't see me that well. I'm invisible. Can you see me? I'm kind of like see-through. Like I'm standing in the fence. You can't see me. You can't see me. Really? Really? I'm right there.
Yeah, I can see you.
Oh, I was gonna say, hey guys, we're back. It's almost time for the motto. Another 6 minutes. I'm going to say the motto. I'm really excited to tell you guys who it is. Honestly, guys, just excited.
Can I not be stupid and change? No, that would be normal.
What? What?
If I take off this piece of collection.
You should. No, you should buy some Halloween stuff. You should.
Yeah, I don't want to.
You should buy. You can't buy anything. It's all for members. Look, it's all for members. I could have sworn this was non-members too. And maybe it's just the freedom mask, which I actually hate because it's the scariest thing in the world. Music. I have this music. I'm addicted to it. I have it playing in like all my dens. I will. Oh my god. Okay, just a second. I swear. I thought I seen myself in the mirror for a second, but it was just like how I'm shadowy. Can you ask the mirror something? Does it work? No, it doesn't. Ooh, how is there like thunder?
Mirror, will you buy me a pizza?
What?
Mirror, will you buy me a pizza?
Hi.
Hi.
you get that Pizza Hut? I'm gonna look at the store because I want that Pizza Hut. We can do pizzas together. Pizza friends. Because that's what friends do. They're pizzas together. Right? Is that friendship? Isn't it?
Yeah, but it makes us hungry.
True. I had pizza actually the other night. Okay, now we're just like talking about pizza. Oh, by the way, guys, I may have forgot to say this at the beginning, but this is called my day on anything. Oh my god, please be here. Please. I just want a pizza. I'm hungry.
I think I
not
did
here.
buy it in the store, but when I bought it, I think it's like 6 days left or something. So it's really gone.
Haha.
Haha.
Should we get a Fez? No, I'm perfect. I'm perfectly.
No fizz.
I think I'm happy with what I have. I like my costume. I'm happy.
Wait, was I supposed to wear a costume? I just wore my everyday life.
You're wearing your costume right now.
No, I'm not.
I'm
I'm wearing my everyday life.
I'm a unicorn.
What
See?
should I be?
I'm an evil unicorn.
I want to be Santa. I'm Santa. Guys, look at Santa.
They can't see it. You have to be red and green. You have to be jolly.
No, but
Holly jolly.
I'm cupcake.
You're gonna be a cupcake?
No, I
You
want to
could be a
pizza.
star.
I like pizzas better than anything in the world.
You want
Besides my
another one of
cats.
those?
Yes.
Well,
I wouldn't like give it to you, but
You should. You should so put that on trade.
they don't know what we're talking about.
Yeah, it's a Freedom Box hat. Do you have it on your tray? You don't. That sucks.
I don't have
Okay.
stupid stuff on my plate.
Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Should we go to Epic Dens to end this episode?
Wait,
Ooh, how about we make that a tradition? How about in every episode we go to we go to a Epic Den.
I won't be here.
Yeah, me and you. Yeah, but Speech Boy.
Well, I probably will.
Okay, so
I
let's
won't
see.
be here like 24/7.
Yeah.
I spend half my
Yeah,
life
seriously
here.
though. We might even make the second episode tomorrow and not upload it until like later. Yeah, let's do
I've
that.
been spending the night here.
This place
today,
is actually pretty
and I
lamp.
miss my
Oh my gosh.
Where are you?
Look at their den.
Where are you?
Speech Boy's den.
Speech boy.
I didn't even. I thought this was a treehouse den for a second. This is the most amazing den I have ever seen. Look at the size of this thing. Like, just look at the size of this. This is amazing. Are they in here? No. I have to add you. Oh, I'm sorry.
Whoa.
This is unbelievable, guys. This is the coolest den I think I've ever seen. I don't think I've ever seen so many phantoms at once.
If you want your den,
This is
if you want your den
amazing.
to look cool, you just place a bunch of random stuff on it.
Yeah.
This is all he did. He just placed a bunch of random.
Yeah, like Linwood. Okay, so let's go to the fireplace in Sarahia Forest and end our episode by
And
yeah.
then we have to tell them the
Yep, they're about
awesome person.
they're
which is-
no, we say the motto and then we say who said the motto. Okay,
I hope people guess.
okay, so I'm gonna give. Are you serious? Really? Really?
What?
All these people. Not fair. Oh my
We have to
gosh! I always wish that this many people was here, but like now, really? Does
Wait,
it have
Taylor,
to?
let's go to a different.
No, I'm still doing it. Okay. Now let's say the motto.
Wait, can I say it too? 'Cause I'm cool.
Okay, can I
What
say?
happened to my pizza?
Can I say the name though? Can we just both say the motto and I say the name?
Aw,
Please? Because they might not hear.
okay.
Okay. Actually, we'll both say it. Okay, on three. 1, 2, 3. All beauty is different. One type of beauty isn't more valuable than another. Bunny Mayer. Yes, guys, it's Bunny. I seriously don't know what I would do without that person in my life, honestly. I know she's just so funny and amazing. Like, she acts like you are sitting right there in front of her. She doesn't act like she's talking to a camera. She seriously asks